since manufacturers have already experienced the benefits of a connected workforce by partnering with external suppliers to digitize their work procedures and develop tailored mobile apps. In the past, special programming skills were required to maintain these kinds of solutions, even for small procedural changes. This created a dependency on the external developers, making the custom apps cost-prohibitive for most industrial companies. ABB's simple no-code drag-and-drop procedure manager empowers any user in customizing digital workflow and guidance templates for each step, integrating photos, videos, and documents as required. Excel files can also be imported or exported. Such simplified deployments and maintenance dramatically decrease the total cost of ownership. A subscription model also means that users can benefit from the latest features as the software evolves.